Hi, this is Mrs. Peña, and today we are going to talk about parts of an expository essay. An expository essay. An expository essay is a multi-paragraph essay with a specific structure. It explains a position or opinion that you have regarding a topic. It provides adequate textual evidence to support that opinion. The essay will contain 4 paragraphs. They will be labeled as I, B, B, C. You can see them over here to my right. I, B, B, C. This is the expository essay shaping sheet that students will be using. The I stands for introduction, B stands for body 1, B stands for body 2, and C stands for our conclusion. First, we have our introduction. Our introduction is the first paragraph of the essay and contains 3 main parts. The hook. The hook is the first sentence of the essay and it works to grab your reader's attention. Our next part is the explanation. The explanation gives a short explanation of the hook. Our third part is the thesis statement, also known as controlling idea. The thesis statement is used to answer the prompt. It states your position. It's a statement that conveys the essay's topic and 2 main reasons. The thesis statement is the most important sentence of your entire paper. Next, we have body 1. The first body paragraph of the essay contains, number 1, a topic sentence. The topic sentence introduces your idea 1 or reason 1. Number 2, it includes an example. You will use a help example to support your topic sentence. 3, supporting details. They explain the example by providing details and elaboration. And the 4th sentence, it's the importance. It explains how the details and examples connect back to the thesis statement or controlling idea. A good way to remember the things that you need in your body 1 is to remember the acronym TESI. T stands for topic sentence, E stands for example, S stands for supporting details, and the I stands for importance. Next, we have body 2. The second body paragraph of the essay contains, number 1, a topic sentence, where you will introduce your idea 2 or reason 2. Next, we have your example. You will use a help example to support your topic sentence. Keep in mind that it has to be a different example than the one you used in body 1. Next, we have supporting details, where you will explain the example by providing details and elaboration. Next, we have importance, where you will explain how the details and examples connect back to the thesis statement or controlling idea. Our 4th paragraph is the conclusion. The last paragraph of the essay must contain the following. First, you must restate your thesis statement or controlling idea. Notice how I said restate. Do not rewrite your thesis statement. You must restate your thesis statement. Then you will use an if and then statement. To wrap it up, you will advise or ask them to take action. Think of what would you like the reader to take away from this composition. So now that we're done going over every paragraph of your essay, let's break it down and go back to the hook. Keep in mind the hook is to grab the reader's attention. Here are a few examples of the type of hooks you can use in your expository essay. You can start with a question. You can start with an idiom. You can start with an exaggeration. You can start by setting the setting. You can start by using noises. Or you can start using an exclamation. Whichever one you choose, make sure that it grabs your reader's attention. The thesis statement. The thesis statement, or controlling idea, is that sentence in your essay that contains the focus of your essay and tells your reader what the essay is going to be about. Think about it as previews to a movie. When you see the previews, it gives you a little bit of information of what the movie is going to be about. The thesis statement or controlling idea do exactly the same for the paper. The thesis will give the reader a little preview of what your entire paper will be about. An expository thesis statement or controlling idea explains the topic in detail. Remember to follow the specific order of explanation in the body of your essay as mentioned in your thesis statement. Now let's talk about the thesis statement or controlling idea. The thesis statement is topic plus opinion. The topic comes from the essay's prompt. The opinion comes from idea 1 and idea 2. Idea 1 will be what you will write about in body 1. Idea 2 will be what you will write about in body 2. Let's take a look at a prompt example. Write an essay explaining whether a positive attitude helps a person be successful. So now let's turn this into a question and come up with our thesis statement. If you were to think about this as a question, you will answer like you're answering a question. A positive attitude helps a person be successful because, and then you will add your idea 1 and idea 2. Let's do a few examples together. Okay, so let's do an example. Here we have an essay prompt. Write an essay explaining whether it is important to show kindness to others. Keep in mind the formula that we're using. Thesis equals topic plus opinion. The topic comes from your essay prompt, this right here. Your opinion comes from your idea 1 and your idea 2. For this topic, you can choose to say that it is important or you can choose that it's not important. Either way, it doesn't affect your score if your ideas are well developed. For the purposes of this video, we're going to say that it is important. So this is the way we would write our thesis statement. It is important to show kindness to others because idea 1 and idea 2. This concludes our presentation on parts of an expository essay. Hope you guys liked it and thank you. Bye.